Welcome back to the channel in Porto, Portugal. This is your best guide for your first trip. I loved this city the first time I came, and now I'm back to show you all the best things in Porto. We'll explore its exciting culture, interesting history, yummy food, and amazing views. By the end, you'll love Porto just as much as I do, so get comfy, maybe grab a drink, and let's begin. Let's check out Porto together. Our trip starts in the Ribeira District. This place is the heart of Porto, full of life. These colorful streets by the river are full of history, with old stone paths and busy town squares. The Douro River is right here, making it a great spot for a walk or a coffee by the water. Find a cozy cafe, try a Portuguese coffee or a glass of vigno verde, that's a light young wine, and just watch people pass by. Look for the cool Rabelo boats. They used to carry barrels of port wine on the river. Ribeira is where old charm meets new energy, and there's something new to see around every corner. Take it easy, enjoy the feeling of the place, and maybe say hi to some friendly local folks. This is what Porto is all about. Pure joy, right here next to the river. Next up, we have the famous Dom Luís I Bridge. It's an amazing bridge built way back in the 1800s. You can walk on the top portion for awesome views of Porto's buildings and the Douro River down below. If you're not a big fan of high places, the bottom part of the bridge also has great views, just different. The bridge connects Porto to another town called Vila Nova de Gaia. That's where all the famous port wine cellars are. Whether you're taking pictures or just enjoying the moment, this bridge is pure Porto magic. It's not just a way to cross the river, it's a whole experience. You really shouldn't miss it. If you love books, you're going to love this. Welcome to Livraria Lello. It's one of the prettiest bookstores in the whole world. Go inside and look at the amazing red staircase and the colorful glass ceiling. The feeling inside is just magical. It's no surprise it gave J.K. Rowling ideas for Harry Potter. Make sure to buy a ticket before you go, and maybe get a book to remember your trip to Porto. Even if you don't read a lot, you have to see this place because it's so beautiful and charming. Take your time, enjoy how wonderful it is, and take a picture or two. Livraria Lello is like a storybook that's real. Ready for a bit of a climb? Let's go to Clarigos Tower for the best big views of Porto. The church itself is beautiful, but the real prize is at the top, after you climb 240 steps. From up there, you'll see all the orange rooftops, the Douro River, and the famous spots in the city. It's the perfect place for pictures and to just say, wow. Go for it and enjoy the view. You'll be glad you did. This is Porto from high up, looking amazing. You won't forget it. São Bento train station isn't just any train station. It's like a work of art with all its blue and white tiles called azulejos. Go into the main waiting area and you'll see 20,000 tiles showing stories from Portugal's history. Each set of tiles tells a story, like about kings and queens getting married or big, important battles. How they made them is amazing, and it doesn't cost anything to go see it. Even if you're not taking a train, stop by to look at this cool museum that's part of everyday life. It's a beautiful mix of art, history, and what happens every day. São Bento is a must-see in Porto. Now it's time to try something Porto is famous for all over the world. Port wine. Go across the Dom Luís I Bridge to Vila Nova de Gaia. That's where you'll find the famous places that make port wine. You can take a tour to learn how they make this special wine and its history. Walk through the cool cellars with old barrels, and then try different kinds of port, like ruby, tawny, white, or even rose. Every sip tells you a story about old traditions and how carefully it's made. So let's raise a glass. Cheers to Porto and its super famous wine. Saúde. That means cheers in Portuguese. If you want something a little different, go to Foz do Douro. That's where the Douro River flows into the big Atlantic Ocean. You can walk along wide paths, relax on sandy beaches, and hang out at cool cafes by the sea. Take a walk along the Pergola de Foz, it's a pretty walkway, or watch the waves hit the rocks. Find a good spot to watch the amazing sunset. It's like magic when the sky lights up over the lighthouse. Foz is the best place to chill out after a busy day of seeing the sights. You can get there easily by tram or bus. It's the calm, beachy side of Porto. It's a beautiful way to end your Porto trip. And that's it. 7 top spots you've got to see in Porto. I hope this guide helps you plan your own amazing trip to this city you won't forget. The best time to visit is in spring or fall. The weather is nice and it's not too crowded. Porto is easy to walk around and the food is great. Make sure to try the francesinha, it's a big sandwich, or bacalhau, that's codfish. Thanks for watching with me. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe for more travel tips. Until next time, keep exploring and keep smiling. Ciao. That's bye in Portuguese.